凌晨夜晚無倦意無睡意，看到厭灰的襯衣在暗示，應該洗我知，洗不清我知，隨逃避再次向你透露心思，誰留下痛留下痛。
We are now having our first meal in Hong Kong, rice paper rolls.
Yes.
Okay, give us a review, Yoshi.
What?
Give us a review.
A review? Okay. Oh. If I can even keep it together. My talking skills are horrible. I'm guessing that's some kind of like vinegar.
It's just soy sauce.
Soy sauce? Okay. Good. Very subtle. Be great like breakfast.
Yeah. So much design stuff.
What else is there in this area?
Wait guys, I created a chair. I think this
Swellen
is
just
using
created
AI.
life.
This is creations of everyone's chairs. But look at this is the closest.
Baby, welcome to the world.
This is the closest I'm gonna get. It blooms.
Oh, beautiful.
This is genuinely the closest I'm gonna get to Team Labs, guys. This is budget Team Labs. Okay, this is my hotel room in Hong Kong. I already took a shower and everything. I got my own room just for Hong Kong. Into the bed. Yes, I do have a fridge, but I don't think it's good that it's in this wooden cupboard because like this bit is kind of hot, so I don't know. But yeah, very cute. That artwork is really nice. Guys, we're watching our show on the phone because we couldn't connect to anything.
It's really
on the,
weird.
Yeah, on the
And
laptop.
laptop didn't work.
Or the TV. Oh well, it'll do. Breakfast. Leon got a doll. Like got a fire red stick. Yoshi got a congee, but it's not here yet. You got some souffle pancake. Let me jiggle it.
Yeah, it smells really good.
Oh, new characters to my vlog, guys. Tessa, we're eating Jollibee by the pool.
Latte cup of gravy.
Also got fatty tuna sushi from the Don Don Donkey. This is slay.
Back and relax and enjoy my evening. When all of a sudden I hear this agitating, grating voice.
Going on. Dinner, we got goose. Goose.
Why is the bell tolling? It's not even like on the hour. Yeah.
We're now in Shenzhen. Woo. Going straight to the Macca's for breakfast. Tessa, we should get a photo. Hello, little baby. Look at this. Sweetie. Oh my goodness. Look at it. She's 2 months old.
2 months old. Aww.
Desiree and Yoshi, did you guys get drinks?
I got apple cinnamon black tea.
Okay, what's not on there yet?
Oh. It's
I
on
got
mine.
Upper Spring Mountain, I'm pretty sure. Oh no,
I got that one.
Oh, okay, bye.
I just gotta claim whatever.
We are at Mixi World and it's huge. It's literally like a village. We don't know where to go, where to start, but there is an entrance there. We have made it to China. Molly tea. I got a grape drink and hopefully it is good. Guys, we got Molly tea. This is the grape one. Very grapey. What's your review, Tessa?
Oh, 10 out of 10. We love jasmine.
Guys, we're in House Nowhere and it's fully like an art exhibition because what the hell is going on? I'm filming this in the worst way possible.
Oh, the bags move.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. In the Gentle Monster store. That huge human. We found the iconic elephant of Mixi World. We got sushi for dinner back from Shenzhen.
I'm about to fucking film. I literally got my phone out. I'm about to fucking film. And I haven't even pressed record yet. You could have chosen 5 minutes later, 5 minutes earlier.
Yep.
Exactly, just the
Guys, we got breakfast at a Dai Pai Dong, I think. But I ordered everything in Canto and I did a good job, I think.
Hey, the food's here.
Yeah. It's just rabbits in this knife
In the
store. What the hell? Hi.
They're not.
I finally found my egg waffles! Just gonna make it now.
Guys, I got my egg waffle.
How's that?
2 egg waffles. I told her to make mine extra crispy. Let's hear the crunch. Good.
Chloe bought rice. Sharing with Boy. Everyone else got their own.
Shut the fuck up.
And
Okay, whole time, guys. So, I got some stuff yesterday at Shenzhen. Ooh. I got some stuff yesterday from Shenzhen. Got this jasmine perfume. And then we got a body lotion and shower gel for free from getting that perfume. And then today, I got some blind boxes for friends. This is for my cousin. And these for my friends for their birthdays. And then I got this really nice silk scarf from the ladies market. Oh, it's really huge. Hold on. Like this. Very pretty. And then I got this Nike skirt. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Ah, look at that. It's very cute. It's got little frills on the bottom. And then an Adidas denim jacket with a little Chinese detail. It's so cute. Yes. Should I put them on? I shall put them on.
This is the fit. So the skirt is very cute. And then you can like cinch it up because of these little ribbons. And then the top, the jacket, very nice. I don't like it zipped up because it makes me look kind of bulky, but I'm just gonna have the little button at the top. Yeah, it's very cute.
Guys, I found the mango mochi. I've been hunting for this. We'll finally try it.
That cheese pull is amazing. The mango pull.
Mango! Egg tart waffle. Egg waffle. So there's egg tart bits in the egg waffle.
Should squish it like bubble wrap.
I don't know.
Pop it like a pimple.
I don't know if this one will have any because I think we should all get our cameras out and film this well so it looks like she's a famous influencer. Can I get a photo with you? Can I get a photo with you? Oh my god, I got a photo with this one. Thank you.
감사합니다.
I watch you on IG. There's only a little bit in this one. Hey, I can't really taste much of the egg tart though. That's good.
等多一秒鐘，彷彿3個鐘，為何沒法去各自腦內洶湧？漩渦中相戀一圈3圈打轉，仍然溫暖。下次兜兜轉1天3天走遠，如何預算？爭吵過8次太多空隙，鋪滿你的壓力，偏偏腦海清晰，鋪滿你的記憶。Let it go, let you go, let it slide。只因心將甜美變問候像懸崖。Oh, are we broken? Believing all things unspoken。還是不捨只怪我們貪心，還在拉扯恐怕更為傷心。
Guys, we're leaving Hong Kong and we're all squished in this tiny taxi. Everyone's very sad, but we're also really excited for Bangkok. So excited.
And one door closes, another one opens.
Come on, go, come on, go.
沉默過發夢，孤單的太空，星星失了蹤，無能力拆去障礙再度溝通。